In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable holiday mode on Facebook Marketplace. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So enabling holiday mode on Facebook Marketplace is good for if you are away from your business and you're selling on Facebook Marketplace. What you can do is enter holiday mode, and this will let buyers know that you are not available. So how to do this is, first of all, you will need to head over to your Facebook. Once you open up Facebook, obviously you'll be brought to your newsfeed. And from here you can click on the marketplace icon, or you can click on the three lines in the top right corner if you don't have that. And then you can select marketplace. Once you select marketplace, you will need to head over to your little avatar icon in the top right hand corner right next to the search. Once you open that, you will then need to go ahead and click on the settings tab. Once you click on settings, you'll see now an option for manage holiday mode. Once you click on that, as you can see, turn on holiday mode to let people know you're unavailable. So if you want to enable this, all you need to do is simply check this little option here. And then as you can see now, holiday mode is now on. So that's how you can go ahead and enable holiday mode on Facebook Marketplace.